this video, we're going to show you how to fix a Samsung phone with a no service or signal message. The steps will work with many Samsung Galaxy phones, but we'll walk you through the steps using a Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. The easiest solution to fix no service or signal may be to simply power cycle your device. This will reset any processes that may be interfering with your device's performance. Start by pressing and holding the side key and volume down button at the same time, then tap power off. Wait a moment, then press and hold the side key until the phone turns back on. If your phone still says no service or no signal, here are some other steps to try. Toggling airplane mode can help re-establish a connection to your service provider. To do this, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the airplane mode button. The circle around the icon will turn blue. Wait a few moments, then tap the airplane mode button again, and the blue circle will turn gray. Give it some time to see if your phone establishes a connection. If that still didn't work, you can try manually selecting your network operator. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Network Operators. Toggle off Select Automatically. Choose your provider from the list and see if that fixes your problem. You may need to power off and back on your device again for the changes to take effect. If these steps still didn't fix your signal on your Samsung Galaxy, it may be time to try a factory reset. Click the link above for our video explaining how. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.